Hi everyone, welcome back to HandiWorks. Today we're creating a delicate floral neckline border that's perfect for refreshing your favorite blouse or t-shirt. First, let's mark our guide. I'm using an oval hoop as a stencil to get that perfect curve, but make sure to measure your own neckline first to ensure the placement is symmetrical. Once the curve is drawn, I'm marking small points along the line as guides for our flowers. Using a hoop here is essential. It keeps your fabric taut and prevents puckering. Before we start, let's prepare our thread. I am using a standard 6-strand embroidery floss in off-white. But for these flowers, I want the perfect thickness of 4 strands. I pull 2 long threads from the main floss one by one. To keep this neckline looking elegant and refined, I'm making each petal quite small, just 1 centimeter in length. We're stitching classic lazy daisy stitches to form the petals. This is a perfect weekend project for refreshing an old favorite or customizing something new. We'll space out 7 flowers along our curve. Remember, you can always scale these up or down depending on the size of your garment. The tiny stitch at the top of the petal is what holds the loop in place. Make sure to keep this tacking stitch very small, almost invisible, so it doesn't distract from the rounded curve of your 1 centimeter petal. And that's our 7th flower complete. You can see how these clean white petals look so fresh against the pastel green. Now for the detail that brings it to life. Switching to 3 strands of dark pink floss, we're going to highlight the tips of each petal. Using a small blanket stitch, about 4 stitches per petal tip, we create a beautiful blooming effect. This adds texture and a professional layered look to the simple daisy. Embroidery is all about the process. Take your time, breathe, and enjoy the rhythm of the needle. It's not just about the finished dress, it's about the relaxation you find in every stitch. You can see how beautifully these flowers stand out against the pastel green. Take your time with these. Since we have 8 petals on each of our 7 flowers, this is the perfect moment to put on some music. Stay calm and just enjoy the rhythm of the needle. If you're worried about the thread rubbing against your skin inside the garment, you can iron on a small piece of soft fusible interfacing over the back of the embroidery once you're finished. It protects your stitches and stays comfortable to wear. You can add a few French knots in a bright yellow or a deep gold right in the center of each flower. It's a small change that makes a big difference, so feel free to experiment and see which style you prefer. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned stitcher, I hope this inspires you to pick up your hoop and create something beautiful today. Happy stitching, and I'll see you in the next HandiWorks tutorial.